Do you see any mistakes PMs often use when using AI to write artifacts that they should be aware of?
Yes, big one. If you want one takeaway from this podcast is don't be embarrassed to admit that you use AI. There's so many people that will share their PRDs with me and they're gonna feel bad if I can tell AI was used. So the biggest mistake is hiding that you used AI to generate your PRD. Don't hide it. Thrive. If anything, tell people, hey, I use this PRD generator for this PRD. Here's the link if you want to use it as well. So that's the number one thing. It's not embarrassing to use AI at work. We need to normalize this. It's the end of 2025.
I guess the reason people are scared is they just feel like, isn't the PRD like what they hired me for? Like, is the AI going to replace me if AI can write a PRD?
Who is going to replace PMs is people using these tools when you're not. This is who is going to replace PMs. And I see this resistance a lot on my students as well. But then the fact that they're in my bootcamp means that they're starting to worry and say, okay, it's time for me to start gaining different perspectives and switching the way I think. So we need to adopt this. Using PRDs at work is not cheating. And it used to be the case. I remember it very well. I think 3 years ago, I remember saying, the past 3 weeks, I was just creating the PRD. And nowadays, it seems so funny that I spent 3 weeks on a PRD and backs and forths and comments. Now I will have Gemini take notes from a product review. I will share my PRD with it. And then at the end of the product review, it will have adjusted and changed my PRD and ask for permission and say, hey, how about this? How about this? How about this? And I'm kind of done in 2 days, if you will. So it's just the way we work is changing and it's evolving, and it's a wonderful time to be a PM.
Today's episode is brought to you by Jira Product Discovery. If you're like most product managers, you're probably in Jira, tracking tickets and managing the backlog. But what about everything that happens before delivery? Jira Product Discovery helps you move your discovery, prioritization, and even road mapping work out of spreadsheets and into a purpose-built tool designed for product teams. Capture insights, prioritize what matters, and create roadmaps you can easily tailor for any audience. And because it's built to work with Jira, everything stays connected from idea to delivery. Used by product teams at Canva, Deliveroo, and even The Economist. Check out why and try it for free today at Atlassian.com/product-discovery. That's Atlassian.com/product-discovery. Jira Product Discovery. Build the right thing. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.